Who are you?
I didn't kill the Crown Prince!
Confess, gutter rat. Die clean for once.
You! That arrow! Move, mutt! Don't scream. It's me. I didn't kill the Crown Prince!
Confess, gutter rat. Die clean for once.
Proceed.
You! That arrow! Move, mutt! Move! No, no!
He came from the execution yard. Bad luck in fur. Dump it with the Mad Princess's trash. One filthy dog. One quick cut.
Don't touch him! He's mine. Mine.
Your Highness, it's a stray.
Cleaner than you. Kill him and I'll scream before my father's portrait all night.
Fine. Keep your cursed dog.
Eat. Stay alive. That's the whole trick here. What did you just see? Quiet. Quiet. If you want to live here, you act broken first. The princess will attend tonight's ball. No. They laugh. Let them.
By midnight, she'll beg to be sent north.
Then she learns obedience in public.
The quiet ones worry me.
Dead people care about dignity. I care about surviving. What is it? She wore that?
A mad princess in rags. Perfect. By dawn, she'll be shipping north, or begging for it.
Her Majesty wants an accident, not a mess.
I understand.
Out, beast!
Princess, I hear the old Lord of the North likes damaged things.
I don't want to go where it's cold.
Get it off me!
What is that? Poison! He brought poison into the palace!
Seal the hall. No one moves.
She planted it! The mad girl did!
A dog does not dictate royal decorum.
This matches the residue from the prince's attack.
My lady, say something.
Careful, Derek. Panic looks guilty.
Let the gambler die.
Yes, my lady.
I did what I was told!
A noble's finest use is dying for someone higher.
You weren't chasing food tonight. You were hunting something. Can you understand me? Who are you?
Don't scream. It's me. Midnight gives me 10 minutes. No more.
Interesting.
Say it again. Who are you?
The dog. The one you saved.
You killed that intruder at the door. Throat first, then across.
What are you?
A man they hanged for someone else's crime. I didn't stab the prince.
What do you want from me?
To live, to prove it, to drag them down.
Good. I plan to do the same.
Time's up.
What time?
Midnight lets me be a man for 10 minutes. Then it takes it back.
You keep acting mad in daylight. I'll dig in the dark.
Then don't die before dawn.
The princess is hiding more than madness.
You stole my son! Catch the dog! Catch her!
You really do know where to dig. Mother.
It wasn't cancelled. It was switched.
Then we prove who switched it. Shall I replace the seal, Your Majesty?
The princess has learned to bite.
I have a contract! I was promised!
This seal pattern, old royal form.
A burnt scrap and a mad fit are not law.
The old contract used the maternal crest, a double-line margin and a wax seal pressed low on the left.
Damn it.
From today on, her mother was never recognized.
You don't cry when I mention your mother anymore. Interesting. Tell me, Evelyn, are you truly mad? Or finally eager to die? I mention your mother. You don't break. I mention the North. You don't scream. Where did you find that paper?
Paper talks. Walls do too. The dead never shut up.
No. This is getting shorter. Then I stop playing small.
Empty crates don't smell like gold.
There are ghosts in your boxes!
Back! Move her away!
Keep them fed, not honest.
He stole from the border.
Open it! Now! Move aside! If I hand you over, I live.
You only just realized that?
Ah! Get off! They forced me! The Queen did!
Then talk. Why did Mason have to die?
Because he saw the wrong person. And that arrow, the blood wasn't the prince's.
By order of the Regent, surrender Derek.
The king didn't die of illness. It was Beatrice. She killed the king. She didn't kill him fast. She made it slow.
So they killed my father. They erased my mother and dressed me up as a joke. I don't just want to live anymore. I want the crown.
If we back you, what do we get?
Proof. And a throne that isn't stolen.
The border captains are listening.
The Dowager is dead.
Then give them a princess to blame.
Witnesses saw the princess enter the Dowager's chamber.
The Mad Princess.
Her sleeves carried powder. The soup tested wrong.
If she is guilty, I won't shield her.
The crown does not bend for chaos.
Only he won't betray me. I beg your majesty.
If the court requires, I will testify.
Did the Dowager leave a final word?
You speak for God. Then speak.
The Dowager was confused. No clear murderer named. There.
You saw the will switched.
I saw many things.
And said nothing.
If I stand with you, who gets the crown?
I don't have long.
Then neither do you.
Choose your side before the crown chooses it for you.
It got shorter again, didn't it? Even if you never change back, I will stay with you.
Seal every entry before coronation.
And the dog?
Still a problem.
On coronation day, kill the dog first. Then put the crown on the heir.
Her Majesty orders the dog executed first.
They want you dead first because they fear you now.
Our men starve at the border.
Then stop serving the man who stole their pay.
Tomorrow we listen.
Tomorrow I can challenge the will.
And?
I need blood proof.
There.
I knew you'd find it. You're not a normal beast.
Tell me what you are.
Mason! It still smells like the king.
By order of the Queen, final judgment tomorrow.
If I die, don't save the dog. Take the crown.
Then don't die on me.
By order of the Regent, no one leaves.
No exits. Good. Then no one escapes what they did.
If the arrow fails, we die pretty.
Then don't let it fail.
At dawn I speak. Once I do, there is no taking it back. We need more than outrage. We need proof no court can wash away.
By the Queen's command, final judgment before coronation.
Tomorrow they crown a lie, or bury it.
It doesn't answer every time. Then tomorrow it must. Not to you alone, to everyone.
Enough!
No. We needed to know.
He may not survive a full public trigger.
He doesn't need to survive it beautifully. He only needs to survive it long enough.
That again.
Tomorrow it'll be worse.
Good. So will I.
We heard the truth.
If the will is false, then we've served a lie.
Careful. One speech doesn't make a queen.
Then clear the room.
Kill the dog first.
You're still here.
Barely.
Tomorrow they either kneel or die.
Then let them choose badly.
No exits. No witnesses. No mistakes.
Tomorrow we use all of it. This crown is my father's blood.
Then make it cost them.
I can challenge the will publicly, but I need blood proof.
Then the arrow decides. I'm running out.
Then we finish before you do.
Coronation and final judgment are set together.
Good. At dawn, kill the dog.
No speeches. No delays.
If they resist, remove them.
If I go down, this stays with you.
Once I speak, there's no turning back.
Good.
Not this time. There he is.
Until the rightful line is clear, this coronation should not proceed.
Do not destroy the kingdom for a mad woman.
The crown does not bend. Kill the dog first.
That's the dog.
No, it's a man.
You wanted a dog? I gave you a witness. I was the man you hanged.
This ends now.
For my father.
The will is invalid. The coronation is void. Queen Beatrice, under arrest.
We did this.
You think this is over?
It is for you.
The will is invalid. The coronation is void. We stand with the rightful heir. Queen Beatrice, for regicide and forged command, you are under arrest.
You were supposed to disappear.
No. I was supposed to survive. This wasn't mine alone. Look at me, we did it.
Yeah, you did.
We did. You earned this too. Still there? This kingdom didn't come back to me alone.
Order will be restored.
What am I supposed to do?
Nothing.
Close the eastern gate. Recount the ledgers. Seize the Queen's accounts.
As you command.
Still not gone. This isn't about revenge anymore. You answer to the crown now. Do you still feel human?
Some days.
I won the throne. You lost your shape.
Not the same thing.
Then stay anyway. If I ask you to stay, will you?
By law and witness, the crown belongs to Evelyn.
This isn't mine alone. You helped me take it back. Stay if you want.
And if I don't? Guess I'm not done yet.